Little known fact, when it was discovered, the temperature in Egypt was the same as it is here today.
Really? Did you really look that up?
I'm pretty sure that's...
I have a feeling you are incorrect.
It's probably not true.
You know who would look that up is Andrew.
Yes, he would.
Yeah, I'll get on that North African meteorology right away. Out there right now, let's focus on Detroit and Southeast Michigan weather. We're looking at temperatures that are mostly in the 20s right now, higher than yesterday at least, although it is cold out there and we'll still need our winter coats because winds are still making it feel like it's in the teens in some places, but winds are light to calm across much of the region. So in many places, the temperature, wind chill, one and the same. Like in Ann Arbor, where it's 27 degrees. However, here in Detroit, we have 27, but it feels like 19. North Zone in Port Huron, it's 23, and 27 over in Adrian. Now, winds pick up a little bit tomorrow, but let's focus on temperatures because it has not been as cold or as frigid today as it was yesterday. And tonight, we'll see temperatures only bottom out to around 20 degrees or in the teens, so no single digits likely for tonight. And tomorrow, we'll get closer to 30 degrees once again, but with cloudier skies. We'll get to that in a second. Temperature-wise, we're looking at 23 for our friends in Lapeer. Hello, Holly, you've got 25 at this hour. Same thing over in Howell. Temperatures just to our south of I-94, in the upper 20s still at around 28 degrees. All these temperatures, whether they're low, middle, or upper 20s, are all 11, 12, 13 degrees higher than where they were 24 hours ago. And you can see winds behaving nicely. So in many places, wind chill, not much of an issue, at least not as much as it was earlier this morning or yesterday when it was below zero much of the time. Wind chill either running in the teens or in the 20s, depending on where you are. And for now, it is dry across the region. You can see on Storm Tracker 4, not a flake of snow in sight here. However, just to our west and to our south, we do have some snow. Some light snow with a trough of low pressure passing through Chicago and a major winter storm that is dominating the Washington, D.C. area with a mixture of heavy rain closer to the coastline where it's colder in D.C. itself and in the mountains. We're looking at heavy snow falling. Same thing in portions of Pennsylvania. And look at that, snow as far as south as Atlanta. You have friends or relatives there? Go ahead and text them or call them. See if there are any snowflakes that are flying right now. It's showing up here on Storm Tracker 4. Well, we're right in between these two systems, and there's a chance that we'll see cloudier skies for tonight. That's more likely. There's also the hint, as this trough of low pressure gets closer, as this storm moves farther northward, there might be a scattered flurry or two that is generated during the holiday tomorrow, but nothing like the big snow that happens off to the east. So any commemorations or celebrations that are happening tomorrow, they should be A-OK right here in Detroit and Southeast Michigan. It's just going to be cold in the morning, chilly in the afternoon. The major snowfall, where you're talking about 6 to 12 inches, that's well to our east. If we see any sort of accumulation tomorrow, it's going to be on the light or minor side, anywhere from a trace to maybe a half inch at the most, and where those spots where it may be closer to a half inch are mainly in the thumb. So stuff that we can easily handle. We've already had some experience with several inches in the past, right? So 19 degrees overnight tonight. Cloudier skies, no snowfall overnight, but by tomorrow morning, there might be a flake or two flying, say around 8, 9 o'clock in the morning. 30 degrees in the afternoon, with a scattered flurry here and there once again, but nothing to write home about. Then some higher temperatures after the holiday on Tuesday, 35 degrees with some sunshine. A few scattered snow showers possible on Wednesday with a cold front, but 38 on Wednesday. That cold front does bring in some colder air once again, with highs only in the 20s Thursday, Friday, and for at least the start of next weekend.